What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my content. So I hope you guys are ready for me to bring some value in this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can go out on Clickbank and make $100 a day. This is a beginner-friendly method, so you don't have to be an expert to tap into this method and strategy that I'm gonna be teaching and showing you in this video. So for starters, we have to get started with traffic. So that's where a lot of affiliates and a lot of people who want to make money online, they struggle. They struggle to get traffic, good traffic that's going to be quality, that's going to buy the products that they're trying to sell. So this method is an easy way that you can get tapped into right now, and let's jump right into it. So with this strategy, we're going to be using Facebook, the platform. So if you do not have a Facebook account, you can go to facebook.com and you can create a free account on Facebook to start using this strategy. Now, the next thing that you want to do is let's actually go into Facebook. With this strategy, we're going to be DMing owners of groups. Now, if you've never done this, this works. But there's a trick now. I recommend do not go lower than a Facebook group, but lower than 5,000 people. So right now I'm actually logged into my Facebook profile, and as you can see, I typed in relationships. Now we're gonna be promoting Clickbank products. So head over to Clickbank, log into your Clickbank account. You can see I'm also logged in as we're going through this video. So this is the strategy. When you go to Facebook groups, these Facebook groups are targeted, they're built, and typically the owner of the Facebook group has a relationship with the following. For example, I have a private Facebook group called Entrepreneur Affiliate Mastery for my paid mastermind students. But I also have a free Facebook group for entrepreneur affiliates. If you guys aren't plugged into it, I'm accepting new members at the end of this week. So make sure, hey, I had a quick plug. Go get plugged into my free Facebook group. I will have content coming into the group in 2020. But as we can see, I searched in relationships. This is an evergreen niche. When you're looking for a Facebook group to promote in, you want it to be evergreen. Now, this is where a lot of people go wrong. They see these groups, and what they do is they click join and they sign up and they join the group. Now, the biggest mistake a lot of affiliates do is they try to spam promotional links. So for example, I could join this relationship group that has 23,000 members. Now, if I were to join this group, I'm able to see what type of engagement on the posts are these people actually getting? Are the admins of the group active? So these are some questions that I'm asking myself when I'm looking to actually join a Facebook group. So what you want to do is you want to join the Facebook group, and then after you join, you want to DM the owner of the group. So as you can see, I actually just clicked into this. So we can see here they had 6 new posts a day, 23,000 members. That's a good amount of people. We see they have rules right there. Now next, we can come up here and we can message one of the admins of the group. Now once we message the admin, we're going to ask if they can do a shout out for us in the group. Now what these people can do is they can pin the post. Now when someone pins the post, that pinned post will stay pinned to the top of the fan page, the top of the inside of the group, the members area. These people are going to see your offer. Now, you may be thinking, well, Anthony, okay, well, what if I go join this group? And what if I ask for the shout out? What is it going to cost me? So generally, these type of shout outs, they can cost anywhere from $20 to $100. Now, the bigger the group, the more you're going to spend. Now, I do recommend if you do plan to buy a shout out for your Clickbank offer between $20 and $100, make sure you join the group first, make sure there's good engagement, then reach out to the admin. Remember, everything's negotiable. So if the group size is 50,000 and you join the group and there's some decent engagement, everything's negotiable. So email, message the admin and shoot them a quick message. We can click on, for example, this person right here. We can click message. And now what we can do is we can ask them, hey, I noticed you are the admin of blah, blah, blah group. Can we do a promotional pin post in the group of my offer? And then you can send them a link to it. You can send them a link to your website, your landing page. Now, keep in mind, if you're not familiar with what a landing page is, it's where you would send your customers to, and then your customers can go buy your affiliate products. So that's exactly what we could do. We can message the admin of the group. Now keep in mind, don't narrow down to just the relationship niche. Another popular niche is the make money online niche. So what you can do, these groups are huge. There are probably more make money online groups out there than any other group. So this is a good niche that you can get onto Facebook. Now keep in mind, if you pay $20, $40, $50 for a shout out on a highly engaged group, all you typically need is 1 to 2 sales to be profitable. So if you're not experienced on running Facebook ads or Google ads, a beginner-friendly way of using groups as your influencers to make money. Now, I'm gonna go through a quick example so you can see what I mean. So good niches that you can tap into, the make money online niche, which we have right here. We went over the relationship niche. Now next is weight loss. If you are gonna buy shout outs from group admins who own these groups, make sure you get in touch with the group owner. Stay in evergreen niches. Don't make it more difficult than what it has to be. So for example, I can come to this natural weight loss group and then I can DM the owner of the group, ask if we can do a paid promotion and have them pin it to the top of their fan page. Now let's continue on. So we're gonna use this video as an example that, let's just say right now, I'm purchasing a shout out right now, a pinned post, and I wanna run a Clickbank style offer. So what you wanna do is we wanna head over to Clickbank. And what you can see is I'm already logged into the Clickbank account, but we can see here on the categories on the far left, there's different products that we can promote. So earlier I mentioned health and fitness. We have the email marketing, the make money online people. Now, what you would want to do is come down to self-help. We're going to use relationships as the example. Now, one popular offer on Clickbank is actually called His Secret Obsession. So when I'm going to these groups that have that, I want you guys to think like I'm thinking, like I'm putting you in my shoes right now. These are things that I think about. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here to the affiliate page. You want to see what type of content is provided by the owner of the affiliate offer. As you can see, they say $45 right there, but you have a potential to earn on the upsells. So click on the affiliate page right there. Now, once you get into the back office of their affiliate page, you can see we're logged in right here. So we can click on, you can click around, get sample emails and all this, but none of that really matters, is because what you need now is you need content and you need examples of what you can post in the group. So let me actually show you an easy way to do that. So while you're back here in the back office, the next step of what you need to do is you need to come right here under the banners tab. Now, when you click here, you're going to see they have product images. They're going to have high converting banners. These would give you good ideas on what you can use as an image when you post into the group. So I can actually come here and see what are people using on Facebook advertising that I can transition to not advertising, using in the Facebook group. So I'll come here and I'm going to get my Facebook ad ideas. So for example, this is a great example right here. They have an example ad. So for when you reach out to the group admins, they may say, what do you want me to post? And when they say that, you can have everything ready to go. You can have the image ready to go and the actual copy. So we can see this, you might be using dangerous words and phrases that affect your man. So what is this page? Be irresistible. This was an active ad. So what I would do next is I would take this text right here and I would put that text into a Google Doc, or you can put it into a notepad. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do is that you're not going to want a direct link. You're going to not want to send people directly from the Facebook group to the offer. You're going to want to use some type of pre-sale page. So just so you guys can know what I'm talking about, let me actually just show you what we plan to do. So we plan to send people from the Facebook group. I'll put FB group right here. We plan to send them to our landing page. Now, I'm going to show you how you can find example landing pages. If you're not sure what to say on landing page, this will give you good ideas on what type of content you can put onto your landing page. Then next, we want this to go directly to the offer. This is going to be the affiliate offer itself. So for example, this would be His Secret Obsession. So let's actually go right back over. So what I want you to do is just scroll down and see if any of these you can use. So let's see, let's scroll down. So we have some image ideas right there. They got that from Shutterstock. So now what you can do is you can use the ad copy that they're using in their post. You can give a call to action to your website. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. So the next step is, now that you know what you're gonna say in your promotional link, you know what you want the group admin to say, we have to go to get our images. And if you don't know where to get images from, one website that you can use is actually called Pixels. And I'll even show you Pixels right now. So what you can do on Pixels is you can get the best free stock photos shared by talented creators. Now, by the way, I use Pixels for multiple businesses of mine. So what I can do is, let's just put in relationships. Here we go. So these are images that you can use when you post into the group. So now what we're doing is we're solving different things that you may not have. We have images we can use. We have copy that we can use. We can test this copy. We can test images for free from Pixels. And now all you need after that is you need a landing page. Now you're probably saying, Anthony, give me some ideas for a landing page. I got you. Let's continue on. So we're gonna head right over to Google. And if you didn't know this, this is a trick that you can do. You can put site, we can put clickfunnels.com, and we can put relationships. As you can see, pay very close attention to how I have everything spelled out. And now keep in mind, you can do this with multiple niches. Earlier I said you could do make money online, weight loss, and get different ideas. But for relationships, this is the example. So now what you can do is you're gonna see all these other ClickFunnels pages of people running with the keyword relationships. And now what we can do is we can get ideas for landing pages. So let's just scroll down and let's just click on a few of them to see how they look. Let's just click on this one. And let's just click on this one. And we'll just click on this one. Here we go, everything's loaded up. Oh, okay, looks like it's still loading. A lot of content on this page. So in terms of what type of landing page, you don't need a super long form landing page. You can use a short style landing page. Like this landing page would be way too long. You would not have to make something this long. What we just need to do is we need to transition our customers from the group to our landing page to get them to the offer. So this one, I'm not a big fan of this landing page, modeling it or getting ideas from or content from. So let's actually exit off this one. So this is a pretty simple one. I'm not a big fan of this one, but as you can see, it's just giving me ideas and getting the gears turning. Because if you're not sure what to put on your relationship page, then this will give you ideas. So let's keep going. So it looks like it gave us an example of one that the person may not be using ClickFunnels, which is why this actually looks like this. It says learn more. But as you can see, they have it very simple. Loving my relationship, loving your relationship. And there's copy right there. This is a very simple landing page, but this is what you can do to start getting ideas. Now keep in mind, if you're unsure how to make landing pages or how to even set up a website, go check out my YouTube tutorials on how to build a ClickFunnels landing page. So now once you've gotten your ideas for your landing page, you have your product image, you have your product ad copy, now you're ready to launch in the Facebook groups. So thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope you guys got a ton of value from this, from seeing this strategy. Do not sleep on this. If you're having trouble getting ads up on Facebook or Google or Snapchat, it doesn't matter. This is a simple strategy where you can tap into established Facebook groups and monetize them and make money. So thank you everybody for watching this. I'll see you guys in the next video.